Google Quick Share on Android. New look and features explained. File sharing made easy. Imagine having your files ready to share on your Android device just like you do on iPhone's AirDrop. Well, Google's Quick Share is about to get a major glow-up that makes it feel more natural, more organized, and easier to use. Not just a quick pop-up anymore, this revamped design is shaping up to be a full-fledged app experience. Recently, some sneaky leaks from the latest Google Play Services update have given us a glimpse of the new look. The biggest change? It's split into two clear tabs, one for Receive and another for Send. The Receive tab shows your device's profile when others want to send you a file, kind of like how your phone shows up on someone else's screen when they send you something. It also quickly displays any pending share requests, so you know what's coming in. Meanwhile, the Send tab sticks to what we're used to, listing available devices nearby you can send files to, but with a sweet addition, an Add Files button. This makes it easier to manually pick a file and send it, no longer depending solely on the sharing menu. But that's not all. The whole settings menu, especially the Who Can Share With You part, looks cleaner and more polished. It's almost ready for prime time, and all signs point to Google launching this update pretty soon. That's bolstered by the fact that this new design even popped up in a recent leak from One UI 8, hinting that it's part of a broader upgrade plan. Still, when it will officially roll out? That's anyone's guess. As a quick reminder of what else Google's been working on, Quick Share now supports QR code sharing, showing transfer progress and percentage, and the Windows app experience has also been improved. So, it's clear Google is investing in making sharing smoother and more integrated. Stay tuned, because this fresh look might soon become your new norm for sharing files on Android. Until then, we're watching this space get more exciting and user-friendly, inching closer to a seamless sharing experience.